Good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. There has been a clamour to get inside the ground tonight for a much anticipated game. The roads outside of the stadium have been bumper to bumper with traffic. The car parks are full. There is a torrent of humankind making its way from the nearby station, and we expect every seat to be filled. An atmosphere of great expectation and excitement. And we have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture perfect for a game of this nature. Just feel the place. And here is the national anthem of Honduras. Quite some performance, and now here comes the response. Well, there are plenty looking forward to seeing this, a capacity crowd here.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
So it's down to business here. Whitmore. Has a hit! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Hoisted clear. The chances keep on coming. They're awarded another corner. Massive leap! Just off target.
Good effort, very good effort. He would have at least wanted to make the keeper work, though.
Battles to win it back. Whitmore. Davis. Gardner. Hoists it forward. And he's on a charge. So who's he picking out? That is terrific skill. Defence has got rid of that. Has a look and place it in. Danger averted for now. And that's been levered clear. Low. Has a goal! Oh, that's a Perfect save from the keeper.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Good save, he got a decent fist on that.
Well, there's a lot of movement out wide now.
Yeah, you can certainly see that.
Well, I think it's a move to open the game up more, whether out wide or just getting a runner through the middle now.
Costal. And it's played forward. I wonder what you've seen, Jim, over the early moments of the game.
Well, both sides seem happy.
That's clear cut. It's a free kick. The referee has resisted the temptation to go to his pocket. It's just a stern lecture. Nicely controlled. Guidara. Oh, great ball! Goes for goal! Oh, that is very close.
That's a great effort. There was very little backup to indicate what was coming.
Forward it goes.
Fuller.
He spotted the run and played him through. And the shot! Played it short. Plays it out to the wing. Whitmore. Ramon. Guidara. We'll try cutting inside here. Now a chance to break. Pumps it into the area. Bit of a misjudgment. Gardner tries to get it forward quickly. Out for a throw. Lovely feet. He's had that put on a plate. Hits one! But not by that far.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Keeper's got good distance on that. And he just whacks it away. Played into space out wide. And he's there to clear it. Honduras get it back again. A chance to play it in. Towering header! Defending of the desperate variety. And he heaves it forward. Tries to get it clear. It was all about the quality of the delivery, and they come away with nothing. Looks to clip it forward. Hit into the middle, up he gets! And it's hoisted clear. Malcolm. Plays it out to the flank. Played into the middle, up to meet it! Oh, just needed a better contact.
Honduras can defend those situations better by stopping the crosser at source.
Cuts it out. Whitmore. Williams finds himself eased off the ball. Gilberto. Figueroa. Sousa. Goes for goal! Oh, that's a fine save!
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Great leap! That's a half-decent try.
That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then.
Forward pass. Whitmore. And it's been taken short. And it's played forward. Pavon. Costel. Pavon. And it's half-time here.
Well, both sides have drawn blanks.
Have toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. There's the start of the second half. So deadlock still as the second half begins. Costel, forward it goes. Suso, coaxed through there. And he just whacks it away. He's gone for it! Played it short. Whipped in. Ball's gone out of play. Costel. Gilberto. Boyd. Whitmore. Malcolm. Brown hoists it forward. Davis. Low. Tries to get it forward quickly. Questions were asked, but he's given the answers. Tries to dink it in. And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside. Gets it upfield. What an adventurous run from a defender. Good clearance and very necessary. Lovely bit of skill there. Can he deliver? Oh, that is lovely footwork.
Well, we don't need to guess that they expect plenty of ball into the box.
Yeah, it's quite a crowd scene in the middle now.
Well, it's a situation that requires resilience now and plenty of fighting spirit. It has to be matched.
Oh, nice touch. Plenty waiting in the middle. Goes for big chance! He reacted well.
I have to commend the wing play, but I have to condemn the defending. They've got to stop the cross.
Defending of the desperate variety. And it's played forward. Williams. It's pretty clear that he's being singled out.
Listen, it's not nice and it's not clever, Peter, but it has to be done when...
Gets up to head it! Oh, he has stuck it into his own net!
Oh, it's terribly unfortunate for them, and maybe we can attribute that to a loss of focus.
One moment's crazy confusion, but they all count.
Well, that's something you don't expect at a match like this, but I guess you have to take whatever way it comes, and very gratefully.
Gilberto. And now the breakaway. Now the counter. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Ramon. Knocks one in. Stitch defending, but that'll do.
Honduras are definitely going about this the right way.
Well, this isn't the time to talk about risks now, Jim, is it? They just have to hurl everything at it and hope for a break. Shot at goal! Goal! Two to the good! They have breathing space! And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the players.
Honduras have turned to their bench and we're going to have a substitution. So that's two now without reply.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
Gets it into the middle.
Well, to be honest, I think they're all showing no substance. Where's the final product?
Brown. Malcolm. Low. Brown. Low. And out to safety. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Little accusatory stare there tells the whole story.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
Minor Figueroa sends it forward. Brown. Looking at the finish! Oh, it looked like 3-0 for sure.
He'll be fuming with himself for not converting. He could have killed it off.
Minor Figueroa. That's been drilled forward. That'll be a throw.
Substitution on the field. Number 9. Coming on to replace him is
8 minutes left on the clock.
number 8. Substitution.
Beautifully done. It's found its De Jong! No mistake! And what a climax we have here! That was glorious. Pinpoint accuracy.
You know, Peter, from the moment it left his foot, it looked unstoppable. That was thumped.
When the manager called on him, he was only too happy to repay that play.
Well, the instruction from the manager would have been, go on and make yourself a nuisance and see if you can snatch a goal. Mission accomplished.
The changes then in quick succession.
Yeah, it was pretty obvious as to who was going to be taken off. His energy levels began to sag, and he was never going to last until the final whistle.
Honduras give themselves a chance of a fairy tale finish. Fuller. And he's going long. Oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Caballero. Managed to get it away. Looks to thread it through. Good ball over the top. He's got away. That's good defending, very good defending. Get that clear. And that's it. Whatever the shortcomings on either side, it was a great game to watch, just one between them. How do you reflect on what we've seen?
I enjoyed that, Peter. Both teams went about their work in a really committed manner, and for me it just always held an interest.